Hello friends, Tanya here with a product close-up review on the That's the Ticket standalone die from the Greatest Friends on Earth release. This is a slimline standalone die set that features several dies to create a ticket look. There are also 3 word dies with accompanying shadow dies and a couple of stars. Here's what they look like on different card sizes. This middle-sized ticket frame is sized to fit on a mini slimline. The larger die is sized to fit on a full-sized slimline. And this medium-sized will also work nicely on an A2 size card front. Here's a look at all of the pieces die cut out. Here is one of the word dies. I used a metallic paper to die cut the letters. This one is individual letters when it's cut out. And then I glued each of them on their shadow on a vellum die cut piece for the shadow. There are 2 stars in this die set, one larger than the other. Here they are in solid cardstock. And then I also die cut them, one in a metallic and one in the vellum, and you can layer them together. You just simply glue them down. I'm going to show you what they look like when they're glued together. I'm just going to put a little detail glue on and use my tweezer to help get them put together. It's hard to see on this white background. I apologize for that. And that's what they look like glued together. I love that shimmery stuff. This is the smallest of the dies, and the words all fit on the smallest of the ticket-shaped dies. Here is the smallest of the words. Even the largest of the words fits on the small ticket die. The medium-sized die, you can fit 2 of the words on. I can think of lots of ways to make that happen. And there are these beautiful circles all the way around that will show through whatever is behind them. So if you're doing a 2-tone look, that adds some nice detail. And if you want all 3 of the words to fit, they will all fit on the slimline, full-size slimline sized piece. Now this slimline card base is 3.5 by 8.5, which is the size that the slimline products from Trinity stamps are sized for. This mini slimline card base is 3 by 6 inches, and it leaves a generous border. This is a 5.5 by 4 1/4 inch card base, and it fits nicely. Now you can take the largest word, the ticket word, and you could even do this with the ticket word in the center and putting the stars one on each side. I wanted to give you a close-up of the embossed detail on the inside of this die, and that's on the other 2 also. Here is a finished card that I created with the products or with the dies from this set, and I think I used every single one of the dies. Oh, nope, I didn't use the medium one, but I used everything but the medium-sized die on that card. And here are several more cards created by the design team to show you how you can use the die. Here's a slimline card created by Carrie Rhodes and another one by Shauna. This one is by Christine. I love the radiating dies. This one uses Hometown Parade on a mini slimline card. And here's a lovely rainbow by Cassie. And that is all the samples I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button and like this video, and check the description box below for a link to the That's the Ticket die set. Bye-bye.